Okay, so the first question is, I am a coder that has had my CPC for the last 5 to 8 years. Is it good for us older CPCs to take a pharmacology class?
Yes.
Yeah.
No brainer.
And a couple people asked, do I need it for CPC? I really think it's especially helpful for risk adjustment and inpatient folks.
Mm-hmm.
The CPCs, you probably, it's always going to benefit you and enhance your career, but it's really going to help the CRCs and inpatient, in my opinion.
I think what I kind of mentioned before, one of the great things that it does is when you increase your knowledge, for one thing, it's going to give you CEUs, but it will make you faster and more, and your quality. So a lot of times with coding, especially with risk adjustment, it's quality over quantity with them. So, but if you add, just like taking a refresher of a med term, right? About every 2 years, they suggest that you take a med term class. That's why we have the MTA. It's worth 40 CEUs. It's worth it because everybody needs a little refresher. So even if you're 5 to 8 years, you're probably going to learn stuff. Me just doing the lectures, I learned quite a bit.
Yeah. Well, doing the research, that's why we love doing this. It keeps us on our toes.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.